Iron is believed to be the great dissolver of all charms, and one hears stories of enchanted people and creatures that take their right shape when you point a gun at them and look along the iron of the barrel. It seems to be this property of iron that makes blacksmiths invulnerable. A woman from near Fecal says, "There was a man one time that was a blacksmith, and he used to go out every night playing cards. And for all his wife could say, he wouldn't leave off doing it. So one night she got a boy to go stand in the old churchyard he'd have to pass, and to frighten him. So the boy did so, and began to groan and try to frighten him when he came near. But it's well known that nothing of that kind can do any harm to a blacksmith. So he went in and got hold of the boy, and told him he'd a mind to choke him, and went his way. But no sooner was the boy left alone than there came about him something in the shape of a dog, and then a great troop of cats, and they surrounded him, and he tried to get away home, but he'd no power to go the way he wanted, but had to go with them. At last they came to an old forth and a fairy bush, and he knelt down and made the sign of the cross, and said a great many Our Fathers. And after a time they went into the fairy bush and left him. And he was going away, and a woman came out of the bush and called to him 3 times to make him look back. And he saw it was a woman he knew before, that was dead, and so he knew that she was among the fairies. And she said to him, "It's well for you I was here and worked hard for you, or you would have been brought in among them and be like me." So he got home. And the blacksmith got home too, and his wife was surprised to see he was no way frightened. But he said, "You might know that there's nothing of the sort that could harm me. For a blacksmith is safe from all, and when he goes out in the night, he keeps always in his pocket a small bit of iron, and they know him by that."